in foot pain. My toes are hurting me already. And I've only been here for 4 hours. Y'all, it's only 11 o'clock. I literally have 12 more hours to go, basically. If it's anything like last year, I got 12 more hours to go before I can have a seat. Shout out to the people that I've seen already and to those who I have yet to see. I'm excited. Come see me. Baby, me know what you want.
Are you tribal?
Ciao.
How did we get here? That's kind of cute, right?
Hater!
I don't know.
So you know what's the woman that wind up in the
I never said that. Sam, I never said that. I'm just saying, how did we get here? This is a very interesting detour, is all I'm saying.
Time for you, time for you. Big up 450 anywhere I'm there, 10 minutes to 5 anyway you're there, big up yourself. Hey girl, you can't stop me, mama, but while I reach. If I'm gonna get the money $20, I'm not paying for each one of them. Yo, quickly, this guy was selling these drinks. I don't know, this one has a lemon and blueberry in it. I think he said this has Henny, and this is a rum punch. So my cousin's gonna try. Ross, wait. Listen, this no veggie patty thing is killing us.
I think I sixed that now.
Six, that's a sixth one.
Yeah, that's definitely rum punch. Definitely rum punch.
Hi guys. It's like, damn, it's 3:11. I'm tired, I'm yawning already. Yes, we do. Sure, it's $5. What do you want me to do? Patty Cielo, 2 for 9, 3 for 15. Spicy and mild. Boot. Jerk. Stew. Curry. Yeah, give it to them 2 for 9. Plus tax, $10. Recorded a whole spiel and it wasn't recording. But anyways, you guys, it's Friday. Welcome to Friday. This is not going to be a weekly vlog. This will just be a few days in my life, probably just a weekender vlog. I do have a few things that I need to do this weekend, so we'll see. But the first stop that I made was to pick up my core. I am currently at my cousin's shop, SKN Auto Repair. If you guys need rentals, auto repairs, or anything like that, y'all can hit them up. Ask for Biggs and tell them I sent you, okay? I do have a discount code. It's whatever he feels like. But anyways, I have an order that I need to complete by tomorrow, so I'm heading to Volume Arts first to go pick up some stuff, and then Dollar Tree to go get some other things, and that will pretty much take up all of my Friday. But come for the ride, let's see what happens, okay? Bye. Made it to Walmart. Y'all, I can't believe it's back to school time already. Not to say already, but they've already had back to school stuff out for like a month. Like, why are we rushing time? Please tell me why. Anyways, I'm not gonna make one to distract me. I need my chips and my Skittles. and see if I can find something for my baby twin cousin. You guys know them. Weston and Kennedy. It was their birthday this week, and their mom is having something for them tomorrow, so I might go, but y'all know they're in Niagara, and I don't know if I'm up for that drive right now. But yeah. Oh, got the chips, thank God. At least they have them in stock this time, and all the flavors too. Well, -1, but success for that. Success for that. Okay, so I just need the Skittles, and yeah, I just need the Skittles, and sorry, see if I can find something for them. So I'll be back. Alright guys, don't hate me, but it's after 11 right now. I'm about to go get something to eat because yeah, I'm hungry, but came home and went straight to work, and I basically finished everything. I only need to do one more thing, but it's not a treat or anything. So let me show you guys. The theme is Blue's Clues. These are the ring pops. These are the Hershey's. These are my new design for my Hershey's chocolates. I'm so excited. I love these. What else is there? Starburst. We have Starburst. We have a lip gloss. Come on, man. Okay. We have the lip gloss. Jeez Louise. Skittles. Oh, there's, hold on. We got hand sanitizers. Fix these back properly. All right, we got cotton candy. Chip bags, and then there's also some Kool-Aid jammers in there as well. This is what my desk is currently looking like. This is what it looks like when I'm in the lab, okay? But I've been doing a better job at keeping everything tidy, y'all, so I'm not mad. I'm currently stocking up for Fun Day to get the kiddies ready. I'm trying to give all the kiddies some custom stuff, but I will come back in the next video and talk to you guys about that. But Fun Day, the second annual Fun Day, is coming up in a few weeks, 3 weeks actually. And yeah, oh, let me show y'all my nail because I fucking love them. This is my new set. Oh, wait, okay. Yes, y'all, I love the animal print and the orange. The orange. Love them. But anyways, as I said, I'm gonna go look and see if I can get something to eat. The only thing that I'm probably gonna be able to get right now is Popeyes, so I'm gonna walk over there, get something to eat, come back, and go to sleep. I don't think I have the color paper that I need to do the project that I need or that I want to do, so I'm gonna have to wake up early in the morning and do that. And I'm trying to go out of town, so let's see what happens. But my battery is dead. I will talk to you guys later or tomorrow. Made it, guys. I made it to Niagara. Happy Saturday. It's been chaotic. It took me almost 3 hours to get here, okay? Anyways, I'm with my cousins. Say hi. Hi. The birthday girl. Kennedy, say hi. Hi. And the birthday boy. Wesley, say hi. Hi. Say hi. And then those two. My mom actually is in Niagara Falls. Can you believe it? She came in the car and went to Niagara Falls. Guys, my cousin has a hot tub at her new house. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Is this Ken? Kenny, we're gonna have Kenny. You want to start a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Y'all, I think her voice is so perfect. Watch out. I think her voice is so perfect for that world. What are you doing?
They answer this thing on WhatsApp, Zoe?
Mom, make sure you're not being scammed, because this is the second time she's gonna be scammed, y'all.
No, this thing they answer about survey and stuff like that. So I'm just pressing the one that I like.
You don't need to do that.
You sure?
It's not necessary.
Because when
It's not necessary. Are you okay? You're having a good time? Mm-hmm. All right. That's great.
What, Delroy and Novesta? No, around Delroy? You still have it? Ah!
Can't remove it.
You still have it? Nora and Zoe?
Can't remove it.
Oh my goodness.
Whose bicycle?
I can't believe this is real.
I love this game.
Come, for sure.
So you remember your first bicycle that I buy you? Like
Yeah, I rode it in the hallway.
I think
That's the only place you would allow me to go. If she wasn't there.
Then you're know. When you feel like to go to the right bicycle. You know, after watching 24/7.
I wasn't that small, Shmika.
No. I was like, I don't care. Then tell me to the slide now, right?
You tell me I can't go upstairs and drive around?
Why?
If you
Alone?
Period.
No.
Alone.
You're a joker. You make them go to the road by themselves to ride bicycle.
They're not 10, 12.
Alright.
They're 5.
Weird.
No, no, no.
You know, while I was driving here, I noticed that they just because the water was strong. Okay, ready?
Are we ready? Everybody's not here. Where's Grandma? Where's Daddy?
what's the
Grandma's here.
Grandma's not here. Oh, we always gotta do some copyright.
Hi guys, how are you guys? Did you have a great day?
Yeah.
It's your celebration, remember that.
Is it our birthday?
Yes, the Roll Twins' birthday. We're celebrating.
Who's in charge?
Okay,
Is everybody here?
let's
I think so.
start it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kenny and Weston. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
for having us.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Sunday. It is Sunday, August the 11th, I believe it is. I'm about to go drop off this order, get something to eat. What else did I need to go and do? Get something to eat, go to Dollar Tree, try to see if I can pick up some stuff for another order that's upcoming in a few weeks. And yeah, what else do I need to do? There's some vases that I've been eyeing that I'm not sure if I should just go pick up, but we'll see. But yeah, come along on the road with me, y'all. I'm currently washing at the moment as well. Let me see how much longer I have for my stuff. I'm here making plans. Bear with me. For the clothes, okay, if the mago done dry just now, then we might as well wait. The clothes are gonna finish washing. 11 minutes. All right, I'm just gonna have to rush, go do what I'm doing, and come back, take out the clothes, and then go do what I need to do. So let's go drop off this order and see what happens. All right, guys, drop that off. Not bad. It's 149. 149. Oh shoot. 149. My washer finished. Hold on. Oh Jesus, 12 minutes ago. Hold on, I'm so, oh Jesus, 12 minutes ago. All right, guys, let me hurry up and go run home now. Run back on my yard, take out the stuff out the washer, and then come back. But that was cute. It's the order that I had today was for a old co-worker. So I just seen her man, and he was just like, whoa, like, what a blast into the past. Like, I have not seen you in years, but you know, we still communicate and stuff, just haven't really been there. Like, I used to be at her kids' parties and stuff like that, and you know, time, and you know, so yeah. But look at that, I'm now doing like her kids' party favorites and stuff like that. So yeah, but happy birthday, Cruzy. Hope you have a great one. Such a sweet boy. Oh my gosh. Anyways, too much chatting. Gone back on my yard now, cause what? I don't want people to take out my clothes and touch up my things them camera. So I'll be back. See you guys when I get home. Y'all, so took the clothes out of the washer, put them in the dryer. I think I have about maybe 20 something minutes left. I'm currently at the grocery store. I'm at Freshco. I'm gonna see if I can get some water and some drink stuff for fun day. So if I do, I'll come back and I'll tell you guys. I ain't taking y'all in there because the battery's dead and I cannot bother to go find another one right now. Okay, so I'll be back. Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm not being watched on the camera, but I'm at work. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Oh. I'm ready for my bed, but I realized this vlog was not what I wanted it to be. So I'm just gonna continue vlogging for the rest of this week. It's not gonna be a weekly vlog, but probably just bits and pieces of a few days in my life. So yeah, here we are. It's Wednesday and I'm at work. It's 10:08. I've been here for about an hour and a half. And I'm not doing anything work related. I'm currently looking at things for Family Fun Day and adding them to cart so that I can purchase everything that I need and it will be here on time. I'm on Temu right now and it's telling me that everything should be getting here by August the 26th. So I'm still within a good time frame. That's literally the week of. And yeah, and I need to call back these people and pay for my park permit. So yeah, I also need to find veggie options or vegan options for like burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. And yeah, that's my life right now. That's currently what I'm doing. If anything more interesting happens, I will come back to y'all, but I just wanted to check in. I think the last day that I vlogged was Saturday when I dropped off that order. All was well. She loved everything. And yeah, so yeah, didn't come to work yesterday. Yo, I cut my foot. How? I don't know, but like used glass cut my foot. It's right on my toes, so like the side of my toes like rubbing on everything. So I'm in my Crocs right now. No slippers with it at all. And yeah, I may be going to a games night this weekend. I'm not 100% sure, but if we do, that should be fun and exciting. And just more planning for this fun day stuff. When I go home, I'll kind of show you guys what I got. Oh, they have the veggie sausages. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to continue looking for what I'm looking for, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye. Love you, Mwah.
Wallet. Just wallet and then that's
Yes!
okay.
Garbage.
All right. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Don't put it in your mouth yet. Don't. All right. So I want you to know that your partner is not really your partner. It's your opponent.
That's disrespectful.
All right.
I don't want this bitch to
All right. I'm a winner. All right. I'm a winner.
I switch up real quick. Yo, real quick. Yeah, we can do this. We can do this.
Exactly. All right. So whoever obviously roll up all of it the fastest.
Like, you have to show you, like, give us the rules of all of it.
No hands. No hands.
No hands. Absolutely no hands. You have to roll it up with just your mouth. No hands. And I want all of it to be in your mouth.
I volunteered for this.
You know what I want to say.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Hello.
So, okay, go on.
All right. So if your opponent loses, they're taking the shot. Okay. All right. Good luck. Perfect call. Hey. All right.
No one's gonna feel bad about it.
Don't put the fruit roll up in your mouth until I say go.
No problem, girlie.
Okay? Yeah. On your mark.
Wait, hold on. You should actually make them start with it in their mouth, because it looks like she's about to put the whole thing.
Yo, watch out.
Still, you have to watch out for the teeth. You have to watch out for the teeth then.
All right. Just put the tip of the. All right.
Bumbo clot.
No hands. Whoa. Wow.
Jaja. Cheese.
Okay.
Not the Who's foot? She said
She's shorter than I am. That's closer to the ground than I am.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, you have to let it around. Is that true?
That doesn't fit much. Shoulder, toes, knees, shoulder.
That's your hips.
There you go.
What about your knees? I was so
But what if you say
Once they go totally, you said knees, they don't come back up.
Thank you guys are so complicated. Shoulders.
Look at that, you're still bent.
Head.
Yo, that's deep.
You have to work on your quickness.
yeah, you can. Come back up, Sheldon.
Why are you bending already?
No, you can't stay bent. You can't stay bent. You can't stay bent. So if they say knees, no, if they say knees or toes, you gotta come back up. You gotta come back up. You gotta come back up. Him know now. Him know. Him know now. Miss, where y'all go? Alexis said, okay, I'm done.
All right, knees. Shoulders. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulders.
Hands up.
Knees. Cups.
Everybody's dead.
That time he did it proper.